We will be showing all of the approved drain connection options in this course. For any of these drain connections, follow the International Plumbing Code along with any state or local codes and ordinances. If you are installing an ice maker with a gravity drain system, follow the guidelines specified in the installation instructions as noted in the text on the screen. Additional recommendations can also be found in the installation instructions. Ice makers supplied with a drain pump system utilize a drain tube connected to the pump reservoir. The drain tube connects to the drain pump discharge tube, which is routed to the drain. An optional drain pump accessory can also be installed for use with a gravity drain system. Pump accessory number 1901 can be purchased separately. The instructions for attaching the drain pump to the ice maker will be supplied with the pump.